The homegrown tomatoes are so delicious, and when you pick them fresh and eat, the delightful taste you get is just unmatchable. To get a bumper harvest of large and tasty tomatoes, put these things in the hole before planting it. Number 1. Baking soda. It works and is really a good trick if you want sweeter tomatoes. Simply sprinkle a small amount of baking soda around the base of your tomato plants. The baking soda will be absorbed into the soil and lower the acidity levels, thus giving you tomatoes that are more sweet than tart. Number 2. Fish heads. Fish heads have been used as a natural fertilizer in the garden for a long time. Their decay releases nitrogen, potassium, many essential trace elements, calcium, and phosphorus. The only problem with burying fish heads is that critters may dig them up. To avoid this, bury deeply, at least a foot. Number 3. Aspirin. Drop 2 to 3 aspirin tablets in the hole, either whole or ground. This is to boost plant immunity. It also helps to ward off diseases like blight and increases the yield. The salicylic acid, a compound in aspirin, is the reason why it works. Number 4. Eggshells. Eggshells boost the calcium content in the soil. And just like us, calcium is one of the important components that plants need for growth. It also helps to prevent blossom end rot. Whether you're planting tomatoes in the garden bed or containers, you can always put eggshells before planting. Number 5. Epsom salt. Tomatoes suffer from magnesium deficiency, and that's why it's a good idea to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt while transplanting the seedling in the bottom of the planting hole. Cover this with a thin layer of soil. This is to make sure that roots are not directly touching Epsom salt. Number 6. Kelp meal. Kelp meal provides complete nutrients for plants. The addition of kelp gives tomatoes a turbo-boosted start. 1 cupful of kelp meal is adequate for the plant at the time of planting. Number 7. Bone meal. Similar to kelp meal, bone meal is also a good addition to the tomato hole. A handful of bone meal is essential for growing quality tomatoes, since it provides the much-needed phosphorus to the plant, which is one of the most vital components for healthy tomato growth. Number 8. Used coffee grounds or tea. Add well-composted coffee grounds or used tea leaves to the planting hole when transplanting tomato seedlings to improve soil composition and provide a source of slow-release nutrients to your plants. It's an excellent source of fertilizer and can be used even as mulch. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.